Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing a product demo. So I decided to do a little self-care today, and I decided I wanted to try out my new Skinvestor product. So this is a pore vacuum and skin humidifier. So the way it works, there is a reservoir in the back that you can add water to, and this is going to be the steam or the mist that the product gives out. So I gotta say, the mist feature is definitely a nice touch. I've seen other pore vacuums that don't have this, and it's really great for calming your skin before and after. So this pore vacuum has 3 different levels, so 3 different suction levels. I'm gonna start with level 1 and go in and see how this works. Ouch! So even on the lowest setting, the suction on this vacuum is so strong, so just be careful. But with that said, I am really satisfied with the suction power, just because even on level 1, I can already see that I'm getting a lot of the whiteheads on my nose. So this product comes with 4 additional suction tools, like different sizes. It comes with a Microderm tool, and then it also has different size I don't even know what you would call it, attachments. So I'm using the largest, and right now I'm just still on the setting, the lowest setting number 1. And I'm going in around my T-zone area because that's where I have the most large pores. So I'm really hoping that with prolonged use, my pores will become a little bit more refined. But yeah, just look at all that. That's crazy. That's just on level 1. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it up all the way to the max to level 3. Okay, so this pore vacuum is seriously no joke. I mean, the suction on this is so strong, especially on level 3. It's making my skin super red, but it's working. I mean, look at all that loveliness coming out of my nose. Okay, so this 2-in-1 professional vacuum by Skinvestor, their packaging claims that this all-in-one system is going to deep cleanse your skin, minimize large pores, remove blackheads and makeup residue, exfoliate dead skin cells, tighten and lift skin, and humidify the skin. So I do agree with some of those points. I definitely agree that this does remove buildup. It removes blackheads and whiteheads for sure. And then that mist is nice. It's a nice cooling effect after you, use the pore vacuum on your skin, because you're gonna have a lot of redness. So it's nice that it has that mist feature. But as far as it saying it's gonna tighten and lift the skin, I think that's kind of a stretch. I don't really see it doing that. But even with that said, I would definitely recommend this product. I think it works for me, and I will definitely continue using it. So if you suffer from large pores like me, or have a lot of whiteheads or blackheads, or just if you're interested in a deep cleansing system, then I definitely recommend this product. One point to note with this product, I think while it is perfectly safe to use this, it definitely leaves behind a lot of marks and redness, and my face and nose felt kind of puffy after using it. So I would just recommend doing this on maybe a day off or sometime in the evening, just because right after this you want to allow your skin to just breathe. You don't want to put any makeup on or any harsh products on. Now I'm just closing my pores and calming my skin with more of that mist, and now I'm going in with my Neutrogena Pore Refining Toner. And now I'm just gonna finish up with my Hydrating Face Mist by Whish. I was able to remove most of my blackheads and whiteheads, and even though my skin is a little red, I'm still satisfied. I can't even believe that I'm sharing this right now, but look at all that buildup that I removed. I'm so happy that that's not on my face anymore. I really hope that this demo was helpful. If it was, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and for future video notifications, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.